Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to fix high ping in Roblox. So at first you have to go to the search panel of Windows, then type control panel and click on open, then go to the network and sharing center. After that, on the left side click on change adapter settings and right click on either your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection and go to properties. Then click on Internet Protocol version 4 and double click. Now in the DNS section, click on use the following DNS server and set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS to 1.1.1.1. Then click on OK. Now you have to go to the search panel yet again. Now type in command prompt, then click on open. In command prompt you have to type ipconfig space / flush DNS, then hit enter. Now your DNS resolver cache will be flushed, and after that your ping issue in Roblox will be solved as well. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.